Hello, in this video I want to show you how to join Android beta program on your Android devices. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Chrome or any other browser or search engine and find Android beta. Here we want to open the link right here. Make sure that your device is supported. And right here I have a Blue Pixel 6 Pro, so click on opt-in on the device that is visible here and that is you have. Here you will need to read all of this information, accept to each of it, and then confirm and then enroll, and you'll be joined with Android beta version. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.